I would like to present you another video of our Honorable Minister Prakash Javadekar ji. He was kind enough to give us a small bite in appreciation of our work.
I am happy that Samudra Manthan Awards third ceremony is opening in Mumbai. Awarding the excellence is a virtue. Unless we inculcate this habit of recognizing the excellence, those societies who don't innovate and respect the best practices and excellence do not make real progress. And you in maritime industry, so many aspects of it, every aspect needs excellence. Right from shipping, ports, logistics, offshore, ship repair, training infrastructure, management, project cargo, financial institution, insurers, dredging, classification societies, technology providers, marine welfare, and contribution to model shift. There are many. Every aspect of our life needs to be done precisely. And as I always say, and now we have accepted, that ultimately the winner doesn't do different things. They do same things differently. And how that difference matters is not only in profits. It's in job satisfaction also. It's about caring environment also. It's about creating teamwork also. And it's about creating the ambience and an ecology which is work friendly, which is environment friendly, which is economy friendly, and which is also important. It inspires to do more. It inspires to do better. And that kind of spirit is really promoted through such award ceremonies. I think this, and when you have an energetic minister like Nitin Gadkari giving away these awards, I would have been very happy to be there, but as we are busy in our Paris negotiations, which will happen in November, December, so I wish the award function all the best. And this, our effort to excel, rewarding the excellent and recognizing the best practices is what takes our country to the next level. I have seen in Hong Kong, where there is no space, people have created 15, 20 floors where the whole container traffic goes on 15th floor. It was a wonderful sight to see they save space through such innovations. I think, I'm not a technocrat, but there are many things which we can take from all the best practices of the world and also can give, provide, and create our own space. I think this award ceremony will go a long way in creating that culture of excellence. That is what is needed. Thank you and all the best.